First of all, thank you so much, Sun Life, for having me again. I missed you guys. Thank you for everything that you do, syempre for the Philippines. Kasi at the end of the day, we really want to provide financial literacy to all the Filipinos and show them how important it is, to look after their future and look after their loved ones. So yeah, later we have an event actually with a lot of the Sun Life influencers and advisors. So every time we do that, the energy is really crazy. It's really the best. So it really comes to show that you have a good team behind you. But I think what I would like to say is I really did enjoy the ones that they were talking about a while ago sa panel, where you have to just start now and just, not think about too much about what you want to do in the future in terms of like perfecting everything.
Yes.
But putting yourself out there just so that you get to experience things for the first time and things that will hopefully teach you about maturity and growth and things that make you leave your comfort zone so you can see what happens when you leave your comfort zone. And I think that's the best thing about Sun Life is there's so many opportunities, so much potential. Lalo na ngayon sa crisis natin sa Philippines, diba, with everyone wanting to make sure that rightfully so, their money is put in the right place. So for me, if I were to just share any of my experience and advice, it would be just to talk to a Sun Life advisor because they have all the information and it's really catered to your needs. Ako yun yung una kong ginawa. Bago yung pinakaunang shoot namin with Sun Life a couple of years ago, the first thing I did, it was very similar to this setup, was to talk to a Sun Life advisor. And she asked me, what are my goals, what are my needs, where can we put the financials in this area of my life? Do I want to see it 20 years, 30 years from now, or is it something that I want to get into, for my family? So, yun, lahat na yun, matatackle yun if you talk to a Sun Life advisor. And also, one of the biggest misconceptions, I think, is pagdating sa insurance, mahal yun.
Yes.
Pero kasi true sa Sun Life, there are a lot of products that they have that don't cost a lot of money. And I think that's why I'm also very happy to share about these products, especially when you talk to the advisors, is because it does so much for your future and for your life that saving a small amount of money allocated for that and to give you more certainty, because nothing in life is certain, but to give you more safety about what's going to happen in the future, it really makes it worth it. So please do that. And yeah, sobrang na-appreciate ko rin ang support ng Sun Life all through these years. Sobrang grateful ako na nandun sila sa lahat ng areas ng buhay ko actually. Nakita ko yan. So, start small guys and live right now. Maraming salamat po.